This week we're talking about two seemingly unrelated concepts: information retrieval and word vectors. What connects them together is that they can both serve as representations. Representations are important because representations are what allows us to work with text on computers. We'll talk about representations of text, both big and small. TF-IDF vectors from information retrieval allow us to represent documents, while word vectors represent individual words, tokens. At first, we'll use representations to compare items. How similar are two documents? How similar or dissimilar are two words? These have obvious applications. For instance, you can compare how similar a query is to a set of documents to find answers to a question in a search engine, as we'll discuss in just a second. But that's not where the story ends. Eventually, we'll use these representations as inputs to more complicated models. These representations will give us a starting point because our more complicated models will know what dog and cat are. And they'll know that dog and cat are more similar to each other than dog is to escalator, without having to learn that from scratch. Understanding how we create these representations will also give intuitions about how models encode information from text. And while we'll learn about more complicated models and representations that use, for instance, context and information across documents, these simple representations that we're learning now are very strong baselines. If your complicated, expensive model cannot beat them, you're doing something wrong. So with that, let's jump into our first representations for documents in document retrieval, information retrieval, and words with the example of Word2Vec. If you want to see the links to the relevant videos, check out the course webpage or in the description of the video. If you want to see more videos like this, check the video description for the course that comes from the link down below. You can then see the context and the correct order for watching these videos. YouTube will gleefully show you stuff in the wrong order. If you want other people to see this video, provide a big gradient to the recommendation algorithm by clicking the like and subscribe button down below.